This is July 30th, and this is my garden journal. The resurrection lilies have been blooming really good. Look at all these, got all these more blooms coming on. Here's hibiscus here. It's just getting ready to bloom. You can see all the ones blooming there. A lot of things are done for the year, but these moss roses are doing really good. They're blooming all over the place. And this hibiscus over here, this is a huge one. Look at that. And it's got several blooms on it. Some of them are finished. Some of them are just coming on. And this is my resurrection lilies over here. There's a whole bunch of them. Looks like one here got knocked over by some cats or something in there. Here's one that's just coming on. Look at all of the moss roses over here. They have done so well this year. These are next year's poppies. And this is loose strife. It blooms earlier in the year. Looks like there's blooms coming on though here. I don't know why there'd be blooms coming on now though. Unless it's going to bloom again. Look at all these blooms coming on. This hibiscus just loves it right here. The base of this plant is right down here. And every year, everything above ground dies back because of the cold. And then it grows back, more growth next year. This is yarrow here. Here's more. This must be the year of the cicada. I think that's what that is. And this is Salvia here. I don't know what that is. A lot of times I lose track of what I've planted where. That looks like a sunflower. It's not a sunflower. I guess I don't know what that is. This is Phlox. Sometimes you see them called tall garden phlox. And here's more salvia over here getting ready to bloom. Here's a bunch more down here. It's doing really well. I planted that later just a few weeks ago. Look at the grasshoppers sitting on my hollyhocks. Hollyhocks are biennials, and I hope those are going to bloom this year. It would be cool to take this stackies and use it for border. No border in front of everything else. This is a hibiscus I had out here. I thought it died, but it's finally getting started for this year. Huh, how about that? Guess you can't tell. This is a hardy Gladiolus that I got from Rex a few years back. You can see it's grown into a nice clump here, like that. And this is just starting to bloom. This is Crocosmia. I also got it from Rex. And it's a few years back, and it's grown into a nice clump here. This is a catmint that's growing in down here at the base. I think I originally planted the catmint over there, but it's kind of grown out this far. Here's a sunflower. Probably the birds planted it. Echinacea looks like it's getting to look pretty ragged. And I think this is dianthus. I don't know what that is, but it looks like petunias or something. Here's button flowers or something. We had a whole bunch of rain this week. Every day I dump the water in the bird bath. Because I don't want to have mosquitoes in there. My moonflowers have grown up this tall. They have not bloomed yet though, so I'm still waiting on that. And this is honeysuckle. I need to come over here and tie up this stuff. This is Laetris. It's just starting to bloom. It's been growing here for a few years. This is honeysuckle that's blooming. And see, this is more the trumpet vine I need to tie up like that right there. Or just prune it off so we can walk through here. You can see how all of these here are growing, so it's really growing fast. So I need to either prune that or tie it up. I think I'll probably tie it up across the top. So I have honeysuckle on one side and trumpet vine on the other. Here's some dahlias I planted. Here's Lily of the Valley and Astilbe right there. These are geraniums. Geraniums should actually be grown in full sunlight. This is begonia. They like shade. Right there. This is coral bells right there. There's another begonia. This is an ostrich fern right here. This is a lily. I think I'm going to dig it up and move it. Here's I can't think of the name. I have to print it down. This is more coral bells. Here's more of those resurrection lilies right there. Here's two little clumps of poppies that'll be blooming next year right there. Look at all these coral bells. Looks like they're getting ready to bloom. Here's a zinnia. I just started filling up my compost tumbler yesterday. This is a cucumber. Look at all the blooms. I should have a lot of cucumbers. And these are cosmos that volunteered. That's a zinnia. This is a cosmo. And these yellow flowers are California poppies. I just planted those from seed this year. This is a nasturtium. These are forget-me-nots. This is asparagus. Here's a zinnia. Here's some basil. And sage. And blueberries. And rosemary. And chives. These are hot peppers. And these are strawberries over here. This is lamb's quarters. I don't want it there. This big huge thing is a tomato. I haven't never staked up my tomatoes, and I was just eating some of these yesterday and they were really good. My first one a couple weeks ago. Here's some peppers. There's a marigold growing down in there. Look at the size of this pepper. I've been eating these peppers just fresh too, and they're really good. They're not that hot, just mild. So, I hope you like my garden, and if you'd subscribe to my channel, I'd really like it. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.